You guys liked it when I gave you 10 of the best new apps of February 2015, so I'm back with 10 new Android apps for the month of March. They're in no particular order. Some of these apps are new, some of them are also available on iOS, and some of them are just plain awesome. Okay, so for the first app, it's called Fotonica, and it's a really cool looking game that can be very addicting. It has some very simple graphics, and the controls are very simple. You tap and hold to run, release to jump, and hold again to land. But with the good music soundtrack and the stellar animations, I definitely think this app deserves a spot on the list. Now, I wanted to appeal to some of the musicians out there with this app. It's one of the most recent tuner apps. I only just recently started to pick up a guitar and kind of learn some chords, but I did use this app to help tune it. There's some additional tuning options. There's standard, drop D, and you can go a half step down, and you can also loop the string. Now, these are all over my head, but once again, if you are a musician, I think you'll really like this app and find it useful. News 360 is a personalized news app that caters to what you are interested in. To get started, you pick some topics that are interesting to you, and the app will generate recent news stories that fit those interests. It's all presented in a very nice layout. You can search for stories and topics at the top. You can add topics of your own and save stories for reading later. It's one of the best news apps currently on the Play Store, and with the recent updates to material design, I think it's only getting better. Swipes also takes on the material design theme, but it's a note-taking task manager type app. You can take notes here, swipe right to complete them, or swipe left to snooze them and save them for later. You can also tap on them to show more details. If you have a Swipes account, you can manage all of your notes online, I believe. You can even tag certain notes under various categories. But I'm just loving the simplicity and material design elements with this app. It really is a beauty. Table tennis is always a fun game, and this is one of the best looking and most fun table tennis games on the Play Store, in my opinion. The various scenes and background detail is a very nice addition, and the gameplay makes it very easy to learn and easy just to pick up and play to pass some time. Open Imgur, or Imgur, I don't know how you say that. It's a must-have app if you use Imgur or just like to look up various memes or photos. It has the material design layout with the swipe-in menu from the left, which allows you to look through various topics and create your own memes with the built-in generator. You can also look at subreddits, random pics, and upload your own images. And you can even look for some of the most viral pictures at any given time, which I thought was kind of cool. Peak is a fun, scientifically backed game that's designed to train your memory and your attention span. It's not so much a game as it is more of an exercise, I would say. You can set your goals to improve your memory, your language, your focus ability, problem solving, and mental agility. Basically, there's a lot of various puzzles to help exercise your brain, and it's presented in a way that's engaging and actually pretty fun. Starwalk 2 is a really neat app for all of you astronomy buffs. It's kind of like an updated Google Sky Map, as you can use your phone to point at and view various constellations and stars or planets in the sky. And while you're doing that, it plays this very ominous background music that I actually like a lot. It's kind of creepy but cool at the same time. There's a built-in compass to help you keep direction. You can take pictures of the constellations through the app itself. You can even search for various constellations, planets, stars, basically anything in the sky, and you'll probably find it in the app. I believe it costs a few bucks, but it's most definitely worth it. FitHub, as the name implies, is an app that makes itself the hub for all of your fitness data. It works with Google Fit, Up by Jawbone, Fitbit, and Misfit, and possibly many others in the future, but those are the main fitness accounts. Now, I mostly use Google Fit when I exercise, but I will note I don't exercise very much. I probably should do that. Anyway, I mostly wanted to include this app on the list for all of you guys who are probably a lot more fit than I am and have more fitness data floating around the web. If you do find yourself working out a lot, I think you'll really like this app. Now, the last app on the list is called ScoreCenter Live, and it aims to deliver real-time sports scores anytime, anywhere. I really like the material design theme going on here with the slide-out menus. Not gonna lie, that's probably the first thing I look for when I try a new app, and this app sure got it. But in terms of sports, this app has it all. You can select your favorite teams, see what's going on in the sports world today, tomorrow, and even yesterday. Basically, if you're a sports fan, you should download this app because I think you will like it. So with that last one, that is my list of the top 10 Android apps of March 2015. I wanted to give you guys a wide range of different apps, which I think I did, so hopefully one of them stood out to you. If it did, let me know which app is your favorite by leaving me a comment below, and if you guys have any suggestions, feel free to leave me a suggested app below as well, and I'll try and check it out. With that said, I'm Beau HD from PhoneDog.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.